What is going on, y'all? We're back. It's about that time to go back to work. How do we feel? Are we all right? Yeah, no, maybe. Welcome to my channel, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Well, with all that being said, I too have to go to work and I gotta do my hair. So let's just hop back into a new year, new you, baby. Maybe. Is it a new you? I don't know. It's kind of the same me with a little twist. But yeah, let's do my hair. As you can see, yes. I still got in my plaits. But I'm going to show you how I'm going to rock these bad boys to work. Because I'm going to show you what my ponytail looks like. Ponytail is too long. So I'm going to just show you how I manipulate these bad boys into something that is in regs, okay? All right. Shake them out. So, I typically don't talk to y'all the whole time I'm making this video. I do my voiceover, but we're going to see how much I can actually talk. Y'all, let me just tell you something. Over the past, I don't know, few days or whatever, I've been like, getting cute. I don't know if you want to call it cute, but I actually been putting on clothes, all right, and going out places. But the clothes I've been putting on, they've been like these little sweater things, and I definitely should have washed it first because I've been getting I have hair fuzzies everywhere. Look, that's still from that other video, that canary yellow stuff I had going on. Cute though, right? I was very cute. But I'm still pulling stuff out of my hair. I think I'm going to end up just brushing my braids. Who's to say? Not me, because I don't know yet. But let's just get into this video. I mean, we're already in it, but let me just do the style. I've practiced this style once, and it happened on accident. I got something in my eye. It happened on accident. And then it came out cute. And I was like, hold up now. I should have recorded that. So here we are making the video. But granted, I only did it once. And I can't remember how to do it. But I'm already missing a small hair tie. So I'll be back. So again, I don't know if this is how I actually did the hairstyle, but we're just going to go for it. So what I'm going to do, I have all my plaits down, right? I done shook them out. Cool. I don't know if y'all see the lint. The debris just flying from them. But that's insane. Okay, now that that's done, I'm going to take this first row. So all my locks in the front row. Okay, it's about 6 plaits. 6 plaits in the front row, and then I may take 1 or 2 from the back. Yeah, and this is honestly how I do my half ups. It's never really a half up because half up is just it's too thick. It's too thick for me. So this is what we have going on. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 8 plaits in my hand for this half up, half down type of ordeal. This is just, I got 2 rubber bands. The only reason I don't have one is because one typically pops. It needs a partner. Just like street tacos, if you just get one tortilla, it's typically gonna fall out the bottom. That's why you need 2 to hold each other up, hold each other accountable, okay? And that's all I'm doing right now is using 2 rubber bands so they can hold each other accountable. All right. See, one done gave out, but that other one, they both done gave out. But your taco won't give out. Let me go get another rubber band. Alrighty. I did it off camera as I was walking back to y'all. Anyway, I was trying to be greedy and try to do that second wraparound with them rubber bands. They was like, we not having it. But anyway, I have my half up, half down. Y'all see it? I'm going to turn around for you. They Again, it's still 8 plaits in that, in my half up, half down. So now what I'm going to do is take another hair tie. You could take a big one if you want to do like a tighter ponytail at the bottom, or you could take like a smaller one so you could just do like, just to gather your hair. Me, these braids are pretty old, so I don't mind doing a second go through, but I'ma just do one for now. So I'm going to use this hair tie. It's nothing really special about it. It's all cloth that matters, and it got lint everywhere, but for some reason this lint don't fall off, and I definitely try to pick it off beforehand, but oh well. I just need some new hair ties, huh? But anyway, I'm only gonna do one pass, so literally just enough to gather my hair. And so y'all can see what my ponytail is talking about. Because right now, it's not in a ponytail, but it's still too long. But typically, when you put your hair in a ponytail, it does raise it up. I don't want to say by inches. It just depends on how high you go with your ponytail. But for me, this is how I always do my ponytails, especially if I have a new retwist or a style, because I don't want anything too tight on the nape or on my edges. So I go up like this, and then I like go down. I don't know, did y'all see that little lift I did? Up, and then bring it back down. And that's just so it'll give me like more wiggle room for the back of my head. All right. Swing her all through. Again, if you want a tighter ponytail, you can give yourself a tighter ponytail. But this is my ponytail. What constitutes a ponytail, Ebony? I'm glad you asked. What constitutes a ponytail for me is having all your hair go through a single, at least one hair tie. That's a ponytail now. Does it look like it's down? Not to me, because it's all gathered at one point. The more you know. So as you can see, this is my ponytail, kind of long, but you can't really tell because this is just my sans shirt. So I'm about to slide on this uniform for you. Do I wear shorts like this? No, these are my pajama shorts, but I'm about to just put this uniform on you so you can see the length of this ponytail. All right. Alrighty, you see this? Ponytail is technically still out of regs because of where it stops. Oh my goodness, y'all. Lint is everywhere today. Not today, Satan. You see it? Cool. Granted, nah, I'm an instructor, so I try my best to have my hair looking on point as much as possible. And when I say on point, I mean always within regs, but is it always cute? No, but I do my best to try to make it cute, right? Alrighty, you saw what it looks like with me having just a ponytail in with my uniform, but now it's time for us to actually like get this hair within regs. Now, another reason why I chose to just not do a second pass through with this ponytail holder is because I'm about to tuck some of these braids under and I need more space. Cool? Alrighty, so I'm about to just show you what I mean by when I say tuck it under. Can y'all see from back there? All right. So literally, I'm going to be taking my braids, my plaits. I'm going to try to get them as even as possible. Yes, all of my locks are not the same length. Neither are these braids. But I'm going to make it to where they are. So I have them all in my hand, and then I'm just going to go and like tuck them under that hair tie. You see? Make sense? All right, I'm about to go around the world and do all of that. Y'all, I did not want to be faced towards, my kitchen and be talking to y'all because you probably couldn't hear me because I do not have a mic and I don't think I'm going to get one. So This is me talking to you, so it's not like dead space, okay? All right. Okay, so y'all see where we at so far? Now, some of my plaits I did not fold under, and that's because they're just shorter than the rest. And those are probably from my half up situation I got going on. But you see where we at so far. Now, I'm going to grab my handy dandy hairnet. Okay, this one still got a rubber band in it, but let me take this rubber band out. Do you need a hairnet? I'm going to say yeah, of course. Absolutely. If you don't have one, have you seen any of my other videos? Obviously not. But anyway, I'm just using this to be my catch-all because sometimes I get excited at work and I just be swinging my hair all willy-nilly. So I need this hairnet to catch all my plaits, all right? And to make sure this ponytail stay intact. So I'm gonna just swoop this thing under like that and swoop it up like that. See, it's like you done caught all the fish in the hair in the fishing pole net. Okay, and now you can adjust your ponytail. You can adjust the length and all that good stuff. All right, all right. And I am going to use a rubber. Am I going to use a rubber band? I don't know. You can use a rubber band if you have like extra hairnet like this and you want it tighter, but you don't really need to. All you need to do is take it in your fingers and spin it around a couple times. Let me show you. Get all you need. Pull up that excess. You take it between them fingers and you just spin around. Like this. Like this. Y'all, I miss my student. I'm not even gonna hold you. I'm excited to go back to work. I did enjoy my time off. I did not do much, but yeah. Anyway, so you saw how I tied up my little hairnet. Now I am going to grab another hair tie and just place it over the hairnet. Okay? And that's essentially to hold it up. Keep the hairnet in place. Now with that little twisted portion of the hairnet, I tucked it in one of my other hair ties too. But this is just going to be an extra layer of security. So I'm going to squeeze my little pony. Not for real because I can't wrap my hand around it all that good. And just place it there. And you can stick a bobby pin in this little extra piece of hairnet, or you can just tuck it. For right now, I'm going to just tuck it because I don't think I need all of that going on. And here we have it, ladies and gents. Ladies and gents. Come on now. You can see, that's a big difference. Look at that. Ooh, y'all my back popping. Okay, I'm going to show y'all the other side. What is it? Stick as many bobby pins in this hairstyle as you want. I didn't use any, and I used two rubber bands for my half up, half down. One hair tie to be the base of my ponytail, and then another hair tie to essentially secure my bun with a hairnet. So I didn't even use that many materials to do this hairstyle, and baby, I'm cute and ready for work. Well, after I put on my uniform and all them patches, but I hope you've enjoyed this video. Did I talk y'all head off? Probably so, but that's fine. I hope you have a great week. You're starting off the new year at work and it's going to be amazing, okay? You guys and gals, be blessed, be blessed, be blessed out there and be safe. Happy 2024. Let's get it, all right? Don't forget to visit www.riahsafari.com and get yourself an oil-resistant bonnet. Y'all seen the new one I've been wearing? Keeping it classy, baby, okay? Keeping it classy. But anyway, y'all be great out there. Peace.